Let me start with the banking sector. In June, we agreed to break the vicious circle between banks and sovereigns. The urgent element now is setting up a single supervisory mechanism to prevent banking risks and cross-border contagion from emerging. And that's why the European Council called tonight for swift progress, with the objective of agreeing on the legislative framework by the 1st of January 2013. This openness should be reflected in the governance structure with appropriate rights. The SSM will be built and implemented with the integrity of the single market for financial services in mind. And finally, it should be inclusive and transparent. All member states are free and invited to join. Towards a complete integrated framework for the financial sector.
Today we have discussed the main open issues on the adoption of the single supervisory mechanism, and the European Council has confirmed the key principles. We will now work to finalize agreement on the legislative framework before the end of the year. The European Central Bank will have a fundamental role, so a clear separation of supervisory and monetary functions is essential. The new supervisor will be able to intervene, if needed, in any bank in the euro area. It will be as inclusive as legally possible for non-euro area member states who want to join, and the integrity of the single market will be respected. Delivering this will enable us to honor the 29th of June agreement of the Euro Area Summit on direct recapitalization of banks. And tonight we confirmed what we agreed in the June European Council. I now expect finance ministers to follow the positions of heads of state and government and work to complete the technical details as quickly as possible.
Starting with harmonizing national resolution and deposit guarantee schemes.
To deliver lasting results, we need to develop a fully equipped community economic governance together with a genuine, credible fiscal capacity. We need a stronger and more binding framework for the implementation of key economic policies, in particular in the euro area, as the only way to prevent imbalances. And while much has been done here, for instance through the six-pack and the country-specific recommendations, further steps are crucial to combine specific conditions with specific incentives and to really make the economic and monetary union sustainable.
Develop the exact operational criteria. That was for the financial.
On Greece, I believe the euro area as of state and government statement on Greece is indeed a very important document that was indeed approved in today's meeting. I thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
Reforms. Therefore, this, like the fiscal capacity, has nothing to do